This modified Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 main doors in the front, 1 window exits over the wings, and 2 main doors in the back. Each main door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the aircraft and used as a raft. There is an additional life raft located at the front of the cabin at the bottom of the left-hand stowage unit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead and, if necessary, for level lighting.
helps as we descend through the clouds.
So, once again at this time, our cabin crew, we need to ensure that everybody is seated with seatbelts securely fastened for the remainder of the flight. In addition, at this time, please verify that your seat backs are upright, tray tables are stowed, and that your in-seat power outlets are unplugged. You can help us prepare for the next flight by checking around your seat and in your seat back pocket for any additional items you may wish to discard. Hand those to us as we pass through the cabin once it's safe for us to do so. It's been our pleasure serving you all today. We'll be landing shortly. Cabin crew, please be seated. to Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, where the local time is 4:20 p.m. In the interest of your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and have all carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That seatbelt sign being off is your one and only indication that your seatbelt should be released unless further instructed by a crew member. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items do tend to shift during the flight. Checked baggage will be available at the JetBlue carousel, and if you do have a receipt that says claim as gates, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, please remain seated after we arrive at the gate. That way we can best assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check those airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our True Blue loyalty program, where you can earn points on all your flights, starting with today's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially our Boston-based crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. If Atlanta is your home, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home, and for those of you continuing on to another destination, we'd like to wish you a safe and pleasant journey.